Keys to understanding Islamic concepts. One of the most valuable starting points for anyone seeking to explore or contemplate the teachings of Islam is to gain familiarity with its core concepts and foundational terms. Whether one is approaching Islam academically or spiritually, a deeper understanding of its principles, systems, and guidance requires a genuine effort to engage with its unique framework of meaning. In a world marked by a diversity of languages, cultures, and philosophies, each with its own ways of expression and interpretation, many individuals find themselves distanced from concepts unfamiliar to their worldview. The disparities in cultural lenses often make meaningful understanding a challenge. Yet, in our age of rapid communication and global interconnectedness, sincere attempts at cross-cultural understanding have become more possible and more necessary than ever before. For centuries, the modern Western worldview has been largely shaped by materialism, emphasizing only what can be seen, measured, or proven. Belief in the unseen, the spiritual, has often been marginalized or reduced to vague or diluted forms of religiosity, sometimes bordering on myth or cultural tradition. However, as scientific discovery continues to unravel the mysteries of the universe, many are beginning to look at existence with renewed curiosity. The intricacy, order, and beauty of the cosmos invite deeper questions that surpass materialism and awaken the human longing for meaning and transcendence. To truly appreciate the depth of Islamic thought, one must become familiar with certain essential terms, words that carry rich theological and philosophical weight. Among these is the word sign, as in the Quranic verse, "We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this is the truth." Here, the term sign encompasses much more than a symbol or marker. It refers to a signpost pointing toward divine reality, an indication of deeper truth, a miracle that transcends natural explanation, a wonder that stirs the heart, a mark of divine authorship in creation and revelation. In Islam, everything in the universe, from the orbit of the planets to the quiet stirrings of the human soul, is considered a sign, or ayah, that leads the sincere seeker toward the truth of the Creator.